Chief Minister Khemchand inspected the ongoing Imphal River rejuvenation works aimed at reducing biochemical oxygen demand (BOD) in the water and improving the river's condition. Accompanied by officials including Principal Secretary of Forest, Environment and Climate Change Arun Kumar Sinha and Director T. Brajkumar, the Chief Minister surveyed the works at Lamlong Bridge, Khurai Salanthong, Singjamei Sapamlekai and Oinam Thingil. He instructed officials to maintain quality and complete the work on time, emphasizing the need for a thorough and efficient execution of the project. Speaking to reporters, Khemchand committed to addressing public concerns during flood and natural disasters, stating it was the government's responsibility to ensure the safety and well-being of the people. He directed officials and contractors to complete the river rejuvenation works before the monsoon season. It may be mentioned the Imphal River Rejuvenation Project's design was approved by IIT Delhi. It aims to reduce biochemical oxygen demand, BOD, and purify the water, using a design that worked well for the Brahmaputra River. The goal is to improve water quality and reduce flood problems.